All right, viewers, welcome to this wonderful channel. For those of you who are into interviews and who are into live streaming, this is going to be very helpful to you. What are we talking about today? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use your phone to stream as main camera or external camera. Just in case you don't have this kind of camera that I'm using, you can also use your phone to record directly into your system and stream, and it will work. If you have a good phone and that the camera is very bright and enough for you to do whatever you want to do, you can stream directly from your phone to your system. You can also use it in case you're in need of two cameras and you actually have one. Instead of you going to buy an external one, you can actually use your phone to do that. Alright, this is the second part of this video, this tutorial. Today's one we're going to be doing the wireless aspect of it. In case you have not gotten the first one, click the link below. So let's dive into it. It's very simple and very easy. Anybody can do it. Alright, so let's dive into it. Alright, before you can do this, you need something called wireless router to be able to do this. So first of all, configure your router, give it any name that you want. Your phone and the laptop will be able to detect it with that name. Then the next thing you're going to do is to put in the password of your wireless router on your system and the same password on the phone. Alright, then your phone and your system will be connected. Then go to your Android application on your phone, droidcam, open it up. Then it will bring out an IP when you open it. Then open your droidcam on your system, put the same IP, then click start. You might want to check the audio so that you can get sound from your phone to your system if you want to use your phone sound. Once you click start, that will start. Now open your broadcasting software, whatever you're using, whether Wirecast or OBS, and configure it to see your droidcam. So you can see it over there. As you can see, it's very simple. It's very easy. Anybody can do this. Anybody can do this. So if you like the video, subscribe, like, share. Stay blessed.